Hello everybody, today we're gonna make chicken fettuccine. Let's start. First we have 400 grams of chicken. We add some salt with some black pepper and we leave it for 5 minutes. And we leave the pasta in the medium heat for 10 minutes. Now in the pan we add 1 tablespoon of butter, we add the chicken, we fry for 5 to 6 minutes. Now we take the chicken out. With the same pan we add the onion, we cut it small, we mix it for 1 minute and we add the mushroom, we mix it and we leave it for 5 minutes in the medium heat. After 5 minutes we add some garlic, we mix it for 1 minute and we add 1 cup of crema, we mix it and we leave it in the low heat for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes we add the chicken, we mix it and we leave it in the low heat for 2 minutes more. Now we add the pasta, we mix it well and we leave it in the low heat for 1 minute. Last step, we add some parsley, we mix it for 1 minute. Like this our food will be cooking and ready for serve. Hope everybody like our recipe today. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.